first week of Vlogmas, and we are about to put up the Christmas tree. Now, when I open up this closet, this is a closet in our spare bedroom. And sis, when I open the door, I want zero judgment, okay? This is Rudolph talking to you right now. Zero judgment, okay? Because I am not a fan of putting the Christmas decor back in the closet. I'm just not a fan. I don't like it. Actually, let me show you the other side. This closet is one that opens up, like this. So there's one side, and then over here, that's the other side of the closet, and it spans the entire length of this wall. So let me take you over there so you can see this closet first. Okay, so I didn't move the light. I'm just, pulling you over here for just a second so you can see. This is like memorabilia from when my husband played ball. And then the other three, okay, this one, and this one, these are all Christmas crap. Like, I don't even know what's in these three. Wrapping paper, girl, it's a lot. And let me show you up here. Can you see up here, like, all of the lights? The day after Christmas, lights are 50% off. Sometimes you can find them. Let me turn the light on. There we go. Sometimes you can find them 75% off. But these are all lights and stuff that I have accumulated. This is so unnecessary. Totally unnecessary to own this many lights. Like, this is just the first box, and there are boxes behind that one. You know what I'm saying? Look at, I don't know if you can see all these. These are all lights. It's so unnecessary to own this many. And I'm not going to pan down to the floor because, girl, it's just unnecessary for you to see all that foolishness. It's just foolishness. Okay, so girl, we're back over here on the other side. I'm about to open the door. And I just want you to remember that this channel is a no judgment zone. It's a judgment-free zone, okay? Okay. So I don't know how I'm gonna get the tree out. I may have to get, reinforcements, my son, my husband. Somebody will probably have to come up here and help me get this tree out because, yeah, it's a lot. But here we go. So why do I have all this stuff? I literally have Christmas decor from when my children were small. We really should go through this closet and get rid of, if not most, well, at least most of the stuff in here. This bag is the Christmas tree. How do I get to it? It's a mess. So I'm going to take a minute to try to get this tree out. If I can't do it by myself, I'll call someone to help me. I think we're going to make a cocktail before we start putting the tree together, but I'll see you in a second. Do y'all like my antlers? They're so cute. I found these at Walmart for like $5. So cute. I didn't know online, I didn't know what these were, but they're mushrooms. I could tell that, of course, when I picked it up, but so cute. All right, I'm so excited. Let's go ahead and make this cocktail. So I'm using a 1/4 cup measure to measure out 1 cup of cranberry juice. So that's 1 cup in my shaker. Shake this up really well. Next, we've got pineapple juice. This is the brand that I prefer. It's really good in this drink, and we're gonna need 1/2 cup. So again, we've got that 1/4 of a cup measure. So we need 2 of those. And last but certainly not least, we need the vodka, and this is the Ciroc pineapple. So a lot of times, or really usually, I'll use the Ciroc passion fruit. I love this stuff. This is really my favorite, but girl, I'm clean out. The bottle is empty. We finished that off. So I do have this Ciroc pineapple and we'll use this today. The Ciroc Passion is kind of hard to find. I usually locate that one. This is 3/4 of a cup. I don't think I said that. 3/4 of a cup. Usually I find the Passion in a store called Total Wine. You know, if you have one of those near you, that's probably where you'll find it. So that's just made it. 3/4 of a cup. And now we're gonna just shake it up and then it'll be time to sip. I've got a glass of ice here and I will go ahead and pour that drink. Yes, love a cocktail while trimming the tree, right? Cheers and happy Vlogmas. Girl. Fruity, sweet. The Ciroc tastes absolutely delicious. If you all try this cocktail, please let me know how you like it. That's delicious. All right, friend, let's go ahead and trim the tree. Hey y'all, I just want to take a second to show you my absolute favorite ornament. It's just a bell, but I don't know, it just is so pretty to me. I really love trimming the tree with this one every year. I purchased this years and years ago from Michael's, but this is definitely my favorite ornament. And then I've got some other ones that are really loud down here, but I've got some other ones I wanted to show you. These are some other ornaments that I really love trimming the tree with every year. We've got a bell, a star, a cute little Christmas tree. You gotta have Santa, right? A reindeer, a heart, an angel, Frosty the Snowman. And then I don't know what it is about bells, but I love bells on my Christmas tree. I've got three. I've got the one I just showed you, which is my favorite. I've got this one, and I've got one more that I've already put on the tree. Let me try to find it. Here's the other bell. I don't know. I just love it. There's really nothing special or fancy about the way that it looks, but I don't know. It's a bell, so I love it. All right, y'all, the tree is up and the house feels like Christmas now, you know? Thank you so much for hanging out with me for another Vlogmas. If you enjoyed today's vlog, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you tomorrow for another Vlogmas. Bye-bye.